Hi Dad, today at school we were taught the importance of saving energy and how consumption of electricity has a direct impact on global warming. It is said that in 50 years the global average temperature will increase by 4 degrees Celsius if we continue energy consumption at the current rate. Water levels will rise and droughts will become more frequent if we don't use our resources wisely. So, will you please switch off the lights whenever you leave a room?
Good morning, and thanks for joining us. I'm Sam Champion, and welcome to the Weather Channel. It's Friday, September 23rd, 2050, and here's a look at today's top stories. Hurricane Kyle is tracking way offshore, but still, Miami's South Beach is underwater. Will this deadly Chicago heat wave ever end, following a brutal summer with record temperatures? Another town dries up as the mega drought in the Southwest continues. And Destination Arctic Circle, why it's becoming the place to go. Let's get started with Hurricane Kyle and Storm Tracker Jim Cantore in Miami's South Beach. Jim, how? No sign of landfall, but you're standing in water.
And Kyle is about 400 miles offshore, and coastal flood warnings have been issued. Tides running about above where they normally would be. They're expected to go high. I mean, a storm that's over 400 miles offshore would never be a problem many decades ago. But no. But sea level rise, even a storm even as far as 400 miles offshore can still cause big problems. See here, I'm here getting 18 inches of water. The tide is going to come up to about here at its worst point. And then the storm is going to move away, and obviously the tide is going to retreat. Let's take a look. Let's take statistics that we have on Kyle for you right now. Winds are at 110 miles an hour. It's currently 400 miles in Miami. It is moving north at 5 miles per hour. Now, it's these northeast winds that are wrapping around the center that are actually pushing the water back into the Florida coastline. That is our problem. The storm will move out to sea, as you can see here from the track, between the Carolinas and Bermuda. So Kyle's expected to remain offshore and not landfall in the United States. That's the good news, but impacts will remain through the weekend. Sam, back to you.
Thanks, Jim Cantore. Now, as Miami deals with flooding, Chicago is feeling the heat. Ironically, this is the first full day of fall, and this is day 5 of triple-digit temperatures. This late-season heat wave puts us on pace for the hottest September on record. If it verifies, it will be the third warmest September in the past 12 years. So let's take a look at the forecast temperatures for today. At Navy Pier, 96 degrees, just a short walk to Michigan Avenue, and the temperature jumps to 99. Willis Tower will top out at 101, and Wrigley Field, 99 degrees. The heat is a huge factor in tonight's Cubs game against Canada's Alberta Clippers. Edmonton, like many northern cities, is one of the fastest growing right now, due in part to the pleasantly mild fall temperatures in the upper 60s. The Cubbies are playing at night to avoid the hottest part of the day, but even so, temperatures at game time will be in the 90s. The mega drought in Arizona has claimed another casualty. Meteorologist Stephanie Abrams joins us with more.
That's right, Sam. The Southwest has become a tough place to live thanks to a drought that's plagued it for much of the last 50 years. Dinshaw, Arizona is the 4th and largest town to go dry in the last 5 years, and it's only going to get worse. This mega drought is about to claim more cities. Redwall, New Mexico, Rayview, New Mexico, and Cramacos, Texas are now on the list. They're all dangerously close to running out of groundwater, Sam.
Thanks, Stephanie. But if there is a plus, some of those dry lake beds are now being used as solar farms. When we come back, a nearly ice-free Arctic this time of year means a whole lot of new industry for cruising and crude oil. And the winner is Anchorage, Alaska. The 2060 Summer Games are set. More on why it's now the perfect host city.